So I got asked a little while ago, how do you add someone as an admin to a group? So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, I'm going to go to a group that I am a manager of. Okay, I can only do this for groups that I'm a manager of or that I own. So here's a group called NCY's Man Career Support. It's mine. I own this. So over here, you can see that I can go to the 199 members. Oh, wow. Wouldn't it be great if I can get to 200 today? So click on See All. And then you can see that who's the admins. The admins are me and my boss / wife. But if I come over here to members and I come down here, let's search for Randy. There's a Randy right there. Click on the 3 dots, make manager. Now I can also make owner, remove from the group or block from the group, but make manager will give that person access to that group for all of the admin work that any other admin can do. So it's really that easy. 3 dots, make manager. Hey, real quick before you go, just something I want to share with you. If you haven't heard about this or looked at it yet, I've created a new LinkedIn mastermind group. I'm doing this in Facebook in what's called an educational group that's got units for training and coaching on lots of different topics relevant to a main topic. In this case, it's about using LinkedIn as a business tool. This group is really set up for people who want to use LinkedIn purposefully. It's filled with content. There'll be lots of content. All the members can reach out and message me through the Facebook group or even through LinkedIn and ask me any question. I'll answer it anytime I get asked. Additionally, every other week I do a live webinar, a coaching webinar that all the members are welcome to join in. I think it's at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time in the morning. So really take a look at this group. Look and see if this is something you would get benefit from. And if you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you for letting me share this with you.